Hi guys, how's all doing? And welcome back to another one. Now this one here is a different one. These guys have come the whole road from Blackpool on jet skis. Something different that you will see around Barrow and Furness in Cumbria. They're not travelling in cars, they're not travelling in buses. They're coming on jet skis. So let's go and have a chat with the guys and see exactly what it's all about. So there you go, guys. We're over here with the guys exactly from the jet skis. And we're talking with
Christian.
Christian. How you doing? And where have you come from?
Come from Blackpool, Stargate.
You come from Blackpool in Stargate. Now, what takes you to Barrow and Furness on a jet ski?
Well, you've got beautiful waters here. You've got Peel Island. You've got the bar on Peel Island. You've got amazing blue waters, amazing scenery. So we shoot across because we don't have what you've got over here. Our waters are a bit more murkier, you know.
Do you not get frightened in the water as you're coming along or falling off or maybe something attacking you?
Not at all. What's going to attack us, mate? Nothing.
Well, that's very true, but there's strange things in the water, isn't there? There's a lot of strange things because you've got seals, dolphins and stuff. Do you not get them bumping into you?
No, it's all nature, mate. It's all beautiful. We don't worry about that. But we worry about breakdowns more than anything.
Breakdowns. What if you break down in the middle of that sea?
That's why we come out in a group, so that we've got each other's backs, you know.
Good advice. Come out in a group, guys. Do not come out on your own and expect to come here all in one piece. Come out as a group and at least you know what's happening. So how many of you exactly is in Barrow today?
There's 5, 6, 7 of us today.
5, 6, 7 of you.
It changes all the time, you know. Whoever's up for it. To be honest, it's cold, so this is the first trip of the year.
Have you been in the water?
We've been in the water, yeah. It is cold.
Is it cold?
It's cold. We're suited, booted, safetied up.
Suited, booted, and safetied up, and also something to warm the cockles. A good old pint at the Ferry Hotel.
To warm us up, and then off we go again.
Well, why not? What time are you setting off then? What time?
Well, we're all getting fed and watered, and then we're off again to the next one. We've been to Peel. They've opened the bar for us at Peel. We've had a bit to eat there. We've come to Barrow to see you boys,
and it's magnificent to see you. And we've got another guy here. I'm sure you've been in there for a feed, have you? Have you been in there?
I've just been in to relieve myself.
Oh, well, it's better than doing it in the water, to be honest. How was your journey over to Barrow?
It was good, yeah. A bit cold. Could have done with being a bit warmer, but water-wise, yeah, it was easy.
Fantastic. And how long does it take us to do the journey from Blackpool to Barrow on a jet ski?
Like 40, 45 minutes. Depends if we hang around. Depends if we did a straight run here today because it's cold. We didn't hang about. So
no hanging about. Straight in for a pint, lad. Straight in for a pint.
You know.
Well,
come to taste your Barrow beers, you know.
And what do you think of the Barrow beers?
I think they're all right.
What do you think of the price?
The price is reasonable.
Yeah. Is there anything that you would like to see in Barrow and Furness that would attract you more?
The dolphins. We love dolphins.
You love the dolphins. Not the women, you want the dolphins.
We love the women as well, but we like the dolphins.
Right. So forget about the women, they want the dolphins, guys. Oh, there we go. So there's plenty of dolphins in the bay.
We only have one, and then we're off.
And then there's a few of the other guys there. They're all getting prepared. And we will see them setting off. What time are you setting off?
Setting off shortly. Tide's going out, so we're setting off shortly.
Well, we'll watch you going on. Where's your next venture?
We'll float around there because it's all flat around there, so you've got nice water. So.
Have you been over to the Wanley Island?
Not today, we haven't, but we have done.
It's quite calm today. It's quite good for actually jet skiing.
Yeah, it's cold though, so we're not hanging about.
What water's warm these days?
None of it around there. We went to Peel. We did Peel before here.
Yeah. And did you see the seals?
No, we've not seen the seals today.
Oh, was there no seals out today, guys?
Today. Nothing like that.
No, that's a shame. That's a shame.
We've helped a boat on the slip lady before that was stuck.
Oh, was it stuck?
Yeah, it was stuck, so we helped him out.
So you've done your good deed for the day, guys. Did he get you a pint? Ah, come on. Whoever that boat was that was stuck on the peel down there in the dock, and these guys helped you. You owe him a pint. Don't forget the face. You owe him a pint. I'm going to drop the camera because there's a young girl just dropping by. We don't have young children on the studio. So, you're going from here to.
We'll go around the island, we'll float around because it's flat, we'll have a bit of a speed run and then shoot off back. We've got to watch the fuel, you see.
So, how much fuel does it actually cost?
Too much.
So too much. So
depends on the speed you're going. How much?
Is it cheaper than a taxi?
No, it's not.
Not cheaper than a taxi. Hey, look at this funny hat here, guys. Look at him.
This is Carl.
Hello, Carol. How are you doing? Where are you from?
Blackpool.
You're from Blackpool. What's the hat about?
30 years old.
It's how long?
30 years old. I got it when I was 10.
Oh, yeah. See you later. All the best. You have a safe journey, Carl. Oh, bless them. They're going back to their jet skis. And I'm going to leave these guys to get ready and get prepared. And you have a safe journey, guys. And all the best for the year. Please don't do anything silly in the water. And remember, guys, if you're going out into the water, like these guys do, they go in groups. Safety first. And what's your name? Trev, you've been dying to get into this video. I've seen you in the background. So, Trev, tell me a bit about you.
What about me? I'm from Barrow.
You're from Barrow?
Jet skiing for about 30 years.
These are your two local lads.
30 years jet skiing?
Yeah, man, the myth, the legend.
Wow. So where's the furthest that you have travelled? Fleetwood. And where would you like to travel?
Where would you like?
Yeah.
Australia.
Now,
It's warm, mate. It's warm.
wouldn't we all like to travel to Australia, where it's a lot warmer and a lot more humid? But I don't think a jet ski would get you there, do you?
Enough fuel, it'll get you anywhere.
Well, this is it. So, the price of fuel, you're limited. Yeah, and it's put a lot of fishermen out of business as well and stuff like that.
The cost of fuel's ridiculous, isn't it, really?
Yeah, it is. So, guys, I'm going to let you get ready. Have a pint. Have a wee or whatever you're going to have. You know what I mean? Enjoy the weekend. It's St. Patrick's Day weekend, guys. Are you going to be on the black stuff?
Eh?
Are you going to be on the Guinness?
We might have a Guinness when we get back. See how it is, yeah?
Why not? Why not? So, guys, there you go. We've got the Blackpool. I would have called them immigrants, but they're actually legal. BLCC Boat Club. So if you've heard of the BLCC Boat Club, drop a comment in the bottom there, guys, and say hello to these wonderful guys. Cheers to you. See you in the water, guys. So there you go, guys. They're down there getting ready to do their trip again. What magnificent guys they are. Thank you very much, guys, for the interview. I like the music.
Yeah, the day ones I won't speak.
I like that. That's cool. And there's the two guys there that give us the interviews. Hey, yeah. They've come from Blackpool. All the best, Matt. Safe journey. Yeah, they're brilliant, these guys. The water's pretty cold, they said. The water's cold. Yeah, and the guys were saying it costs about £90 in fuel from Blackpool to Barrow and back, and a jet ski, so it's not cheap. Some speed on them. They're all having fun out at sea there, guys, as you see. Brilliant, lads. Brilliant. So there they go, and they're off. Welcome to Barrow. Goodbye, Barrow.
Well, now.
So there you go, guys. Until the next one, we'll see you all again. So that was the Blackpool jet skiers. So don't forget, if you've enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and share and follow, guys. Push that bell button and you'll know exactly when the next video is being uploaded. We'll see you again soon, guys. Take care, God bless, and be good. And don't forget, be safe in the waters, guys. Take these guys' advice. If you're going in a group, be in a group. Don't go out on your own, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.